So WoW stands for Worlds of Work. We're at Montgomery College, Rockville today. And it is a nationally branded event where it's designed to bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world experience. The idea is that students will go around in rotations and learn about careers in different industries and different sectors.
So fun. We get to meet new people from different schools, and everything is just really interesting to know, and as we go into high school and think about our careers in the future.
I think this career fair is really interesting and it's really engaging.
I think it's a really good privilege for multiple people, and this is a good place where they can find out what they want to do in life.
But we actually have career coaches in every single MCPS middle and high school. And it is to help, again, foster and facilitate conversations around careers. They may be considered a bit young, but the idea is that we really want to plant seeds in their minds right now so that, again, you don't know what you don't know. And that's the idea, that we want to expose them to a bunch of different industries, a bunch of different careers that are possible for them in the future.